What's next for ISRO after creating history with the Chandrayaan-3 mission? What's the Indian Space Agency's next target after conquering the Moon's South Pole? ISRO has always punched above its weight, achieving incredible milestones on a shoestring budget, and the gritty space agency is just getting started. After Chandrayaan-3, ISRO is diving right into a busy schedule packed with upcoming space endeavors for India. While the exact dates are yet to be finalized, here's a list of missions on the horizon. First up is Aditya L1. After the Moon, India turns its focus to the Sun, with this pioneering observatory set to study our star. Expected to launch in the first week of September this year, just days after Chandrayaan-3 landing, with an expected cost of 378 crore rupees, this spacecraft will orbit around the Lagrangian point 1 or L1 of the Sun-Earth system, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. It will offer an uninterrupted view of the Sun's activities without any disruptions. It will be the first spatially resolved solar disk in the near UV band. Moving on, the NASA-ISRO SAR or Nysar mission is a joint venture between NASA and ISRO aiming to map the entire globe every 12 days. This observatory, with an estimated cost of 12,300 crore rupees, will provide consistent data on Earth's ecosystem changes from earthquakes to volcanoes. Nysar's launch is slated for January 2024. NASA is responsible for providing the L-band SAR payload system, while ISRO is supplying the S-band SAR payload. The Nysar observatory will be launched from the Indian spaceport in Sriharikota on the GSLV launch vehicle. Another exciting project, SPADEX, is a twin spacecraft mission developed by ISRO with an expected cost of 124 crore rupees. It features two IMS-class satellites, Chaser and Target, and focuses on orbital rendezvous. This experiment is set to launch aboard the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or PSLV from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. Next in queue is Mangalyaan-2, India's second interplanetary mission, which aims to launch in 2024. This mission to Mars, with a hyperspectral camera, high-resolution panochromatic camera and radar, seeks to explore the mysteries of Mars. Following this is the much-anticipated Gaganyaan, India's first human space mission, scheduled for launch soon with a cost estimated around 9,023 crore rupees. The unmanned Gyaan mission will launch in the fourth quarter of 2023. The second unmanned G2 mission will launch in the second quarter of 2024. And the final human spaceflight H1 mission will launch in the fourth quarter of 2024. ISRO has also set its sights on Venus with the Shukrayaan mission planned for December 2024. This mission will explore Earth's neighboring planet Venus. Optimal launch windows from Earth to Venus occur every 19 months. This is why ISRO has backup launch dates in 2026 and 2028 should it miss the 2024 opportunity. India's first dedicated polarimetry mission, XPOSAT, is also ready to make its debut to study various dynamics of bright astronomical X-ray sources in extreme conditions.